How to withdraw funds from TEMU. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TEMU, log into your account, and then at the bottom you will find U option after you have logged into your account, which is beside categories on card. Click on U. After that, you will find your credit card balance in here. There is no direct way to withdraw money from TEMU, but what you can do is purchase product on TEMU, redeem gift cards, and donate your credit card. Which is, if you prefer not to use your credit, TEMU offers an option to donate your credit to charitable organizations. And this is how to withdraw funds from TEMU. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.